I thought I'd just document this moment in time. It's the 17th of May 2026. Hey, it's about, I don't even know what time it is, 6, half 7 perhaps. Blackbirds are singing, the neighbors' kids are shouting, the cat is frolicking. There's some neighbors doing some carpentry as well. The sun is still high in the air, in the sky. It's cool, mild. There's no breeze for now. It's calm. It's the lawn is newly mowed. Smells nice. The viburnum smells nice. I'll show you some B-roll also before the sun goes down from my vantage point, so you can see how the garden is coming along now. It's early days yet. As my eldest son just said, been working so hard for so long that I'm kind of in the mindset that everything should be finished. This should be high season, middle of summer, everything blooming, but many things have hardly poked up with the ground yet. So I have to pace myself a bit. Behind you is what remains, but it's getting really close now. It's Sunday today. In a week's time, it may be finished. The greenhouse and the surrounding area with gravel and stepping stones and stone borders and everything. Maybe it won't be finished, but at least in no more than 2 weeks max tops it will be finished. And then I still have a week to spare, I think, before my garden party, at which time 3 weeks from now I hope that most things are in bloom. Well, not everything, but and I'm sitting here in my pergola that I built more or less by myself with help from my neighbor. I'm sitting in new lounge chairs that I built the day before yesterday, which fits perfectly with our upholstery that we bought for another set of furniture that I made last year. But since we're tearing down the wall on the porch in order for the big chair to have a free view of the garden, I've made these instead, perfect for the cushions that we bought. So I'm very pleased with those. And today yesterday I made a work area at the side of the greenhouse. And today I built a working table, a potting table. I'm very pleased with that too. I mean, if you look closely, it's hardly professional work, but hey, it works. And also you can smell the wood. That's also nice. So it's just the wooden deck, and we have a plan for that. We begin on Wednesday evening, and then Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, maybe it will all be finished. The deck, the greenhouse, and maybe not the gravel. Maybe I'll do the gravel next week, the week after that. And then I really hope that everything establishes and flourishes. I went for a walk right just now, and I don't know. I think it feels like some things are struggling. Some things have even died. Some things are not coming up. But maybe I'm too pessimistic. I think they should do well here, and if they don't, I don't think it's my fault. And I mean, you have to expect everything can't be a success. So maybe I'm focusing a bit too much on the negative. I wish you could feel the sun and smell the smells. It's just perfect right now. Just perfect. Wow, what an evening. 17 May, the National Day of Norway. Sweden's National Day is the 6th of June. That's the day, I think, that's the day after my garden party. 3 weeks from now. Well, I've rambled on way too long. I'll go around and take that B-roll now, and maybe I'll do a little montage so you can watch some interesting things while you listen to my